channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some garlic Parmesan wings. I'm trying to copycat off of Flavors, wings, and daiquiri. I really enjoyed those wings at a restaurant in Arlington, Texas. So I'm gonna try to copycat, but instead of frying mine, I'm gonna bake my wings. So keep watching. 4 pounds of chicken wings. I have marinated them overnight, and I washed out the bag and placed them back in the bag. So now I'm gonna just place them on this tray here. So let me do that. Really want them to be kind of dry. Really, they feel a lot. They're kind of wet, so I think I'm gonna paper dry them after I get them on this sheet here. My favorite part of the chicken are the flats, so I really enjoy eating those. Bill like both, really. He doesn't really have a preference. So I'm gonna spray the chicken with some coconut oil. Okay, I'm gonna place them in a 375-degree oven. 375-degree oven. And let them cook about 60 minutes. They are in the oven. So let me start on my sauce. These are my ingredients for my sauce. 1 stick of butter. I have 3 garlic cloves that I gotta chop up. 1 lemon that I'm gonna squeeze. And I have the Parmesan cheese here. And I'm gonna add a little stevia to kind of make it sweet. Not sweet, but just a pinch of sugar is going to go in here. And I forgot to mention that I had marinated my wings overnight in just some sea salt, about 3 teaspoons of sea salt. So I didn't add any pepper, I didn't add anything to it because I don't want to take away from the sauce. So let me get started on the sauce. I placed the butter in the skillet. So I'm gonna let that melt. I have it on medium. So I'm gonna let that melt slowly. While that's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my. Okay, I turned the eye down to medium low. I'm gonna add some garlic in here. I used to make this sauce at my restaurant. Come and smell the garlic coming from the kitchen, and everybody that would be sitting in there smelling it would want to order of garlic fries. And so this is my recipe, but I have never tried it on the chicken before, so this will be my first time. I just added like a half a teaspoon of salt. I don't want my butter to burn. I just wanted to get that taste of the garlic in there. At the restaurant, I didn't chop up the garlic. What I did is just put the whole garlic in there because I usually make quite a bit of the sauce for the day. And so, and when they placed the order, I would just stick the sauce in a cup, you know, not a whole cup, just a little bit to cover the fries, and let them cook, let it heat up in the microwave for like 30 seconds, and then I would pour it over the fries and then add the Parmesan cheese on top of it. So that's how I did mine in the restaurant. So it was very good. People really loved it. So this is what I'm going to add to my wings today. And I'm going to add a little stevia, just a touch of sugar. I don't know, it does something to the sauce. And I'm going to go ahead and cut up my lemon now. Okay, I added a half a lemon. So it is really ready. I'm going to go ahead and turn the eye off. And when I pour it over the chicken, I'm going to just use a sieve so that the garlic will not be in the sauce. I plated the wings, and now I'm going to pour over the sauce on the wings. I got my sieve here. I'm not going to pour it all over here. Really don't need all of it. Let's save it for the wings. And now I'm going to sprinkle the Parmesan cheese over the chicken. And it looks good. Okay, we have probably about 10 wings on the pan. I'll show you that. But this is a beautiful plate of wings. So let me taste one and see what I think of it. This is so hot. It's so hot. I got it on a napkin. Oh boy. I don't know if I'll be able to taste it on camera. I'm gonna try. Mmm. Mmm. Tastes so good. The chicken is very moist, seasoned all the way through because I marinated overnight. I did cook the chicken for 60 minutes, then I turned it on broil and cooked it for, to get it brown, probably another 10 minutes. And the sauce is on point, it's very good. I like it. Mmm. Mmm, good. Kevin, you have to try my recipe, see. This is close to yours or not, but it's good. Dropping chicken. That is so good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.